Did you know you can record a voiceover in Canva? Let me show you how. Click Upload. Click Record Yourself. Now you see there are different options, but here you are going to click Record Voiceover. This is how it looks like. Once you are ready, you click Record and then it begins the countdown. Once you are done recording, click Finish. To locate the just recorded voiceover, go to Uploads, go back, and you will find it under Audio just here. To download, you can click these three dots and then download. You can also download once you are done with your design. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to see more Canva tutorials like this. If you also have a Canva tutorial you would like me to create, do drop it in the comment section. Thanks for watching and see you next time.